So you guys are back with another wig install from Luvme Hair, one of my favorite hair companies ever. Today we're actually going to be installing their short deep wave curly lace closure bob wig, and I'm absolutely not going to glue it down. Typically with bob wigs, I just like to throw them on and go because I know you ladies would probably prefer to just throw it on and go. So let me just hop straight into what comes in the package. So it's just a straight up Luvme Hair. This was that hair ball I was telling you guys about. My daughter always steals them. So this is the hair. It's in this little package. You do get some wig caps. So this is just hair specs telling you how to return if you need to, how to get a refund if you need to. They give you a brush. They gave me these silver earrings that I have been wearing, melt belt, and this, which I have no clue what this is. What is this? Is this a card holder? It's a mirror. 100% virgin hair from one donor, 180 density, natural black, adjustable straps, 4x4, Swiss medium brown lace. Okay, I'm just reading it straight from the website. So immediately out of the package, this is how the hair looks. As you guys can see, the inside, it does have adjustable straps. We're gonna put it on together. We're just going to pull it on our head. Okay, so far the hair is giving a lot of texture. All right, like a lot of texture. Like I said, this is 180 density for anybody wanting to know. It looks like the part is on the side. So this is a side part that, you know, you could move to the front if you wanted to, but this is a side part. So I did not pluck, bleach the hairline, any of that. What I'm going to do is simply, so I cut the lace off. You guys can see I still left some on. The hair is super coarse, super thick. What we are going to do is just go in with some mousse and put it all over the hair. Add some mousse. This is how I'm gonna define the curls. So many of you guys were requesting how it looks straight out of the package. So I need a little bit more mousse. And like I said, the good thing about this mousse is it really doesn't leave the hair hard. But I'm going to just simply tuck it behind my ear now that I have a little bit of hair there. This is what the curls are giving. Typically, I like to wash the hair and let it air dry because I feel like the curl pattern is just, it's most natural. But some women wanted to see what it looked like straight out of the package, and it's giving very cute. Like, if you're looking for an easy everyday type of bob, this is what it is. Let me turn around for you guys. I barely could put, so I'm kind of just like finger combing it through so we can have some more definition in the back. This is what the back looks like. You can't see my hair, which is nice. So you guys, this is what it looks like with a part to the middle without any bleaching, plucking of knots. Do have the option of actually wearing it in a part to the middle for anyone wondering, because I personally thought it was only a part to the side, but it's a closure and I forgot it was a closure. So you guys, this is how the wig turned out. I just stuck it behind my ear because I do have some sideburns now to give it a more realistic feel. I genuinely like this wig. I personally don't like closure wigs because I like a more defined hairline. Like, I don't like to have to worry about, you know, wind blowing back and what will you see. But when the wind does blow back, you don't see anything. And you guys saw I had on a wig cap. So if you do like frontals and a side part for you is where you're going, you're gonna absolutely love this wig. Okay, love the curl pattern. It's super thick. Like I said, it is 180 density. Yeah, so far I really do like the curls. Like I said, I personally like to customize hair. It's still drying. I like big bold hair, so it is drying and it has the ability to get to my liking. But for anyone out there looking for a super easy throw on and go hairstyle, this is definitely for you. I personally love Luvme Hair and their return policy. If you aren't happy, you can, you know, get satisfied. So what are you guys' thoughts? Super cute.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevincicollabs.